If you are a premium member of the lynda.com training library, or if you're watching this tutorial on a disk, you will have access to the exercise files that are used throughout this title. The exercise files for this title are arranged by chapter and by movie, and you can find the exercise files that correspond to the movie that you're watching by first looking for the chapter number and then the movie number. You'll want to copy the folder of exercise files into your user directory or to another convenient location. It's always a good idea to make a copy so that you still have the original to refer back to if you make changes. On my Mac, I do that by opening up a new window using Command-N, which by default opens to my user directory. Then I'm going to open up my Documents directory, and that's where I'm going to put my files. Then I can Option drag over the folder from the exercise files to create a new copy. Now your files will be in the exact same state as mine at the start of that movie, and you'll be able to follow right along with me. You can also just use the exercise files as a reference to check your work as you go along. The software you will need for this tutorial is GIT and a basic text editor. In Chapter 1, we'll learn how to install and configure the software. And later, when we get to the chapter on remote repositories, you will also need a remote hosting account. Don't worry if you don't have one already. I will walk you through those steps to get you signed up for a free account. If you're a monthly or annual subscriber to lynda.com, you will not have the exercise files that accompany this tutorial, but you can still follow along with me. While you won't have the exact same files as I do, you can easily substitute in your own. The exact content of the files won't be as important as tracking changes that we make to them. If you want to use a real project of your own, I recommend that you use a copy so that you don't accidentally lose valuable work while you're learning. Remember, you can pause the video or rewind if you need more time to copy something down.